Hello and welcome! In this how to draw video, we're going to be drawing a Rubik's Cube. Now we've got a Rubik's Cube, but we've only managed to do one side. So that was easy, but the rest is really hard. So we'll be playing with that for a while, I think. But we thought it'd be a great video to draw. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun drawing this Rubik's Cube. Are you ready to get started, or you're busy with the puzzle still? Let's go. We'll put that here as our inspiration. Okay, so we've got our paper here, and get your marker. All right, so Rubik's Cube is actually, we're just going to draw a cube. Yeah, so it's a 3D shape, so this is going to be quite interesting. So first of all, let's start with some vertical lines. So we're going to start, I think we'll start one in the middle here. Yep. And then, so this is the front side, and then we're going to draw another one here going off in an angle. Like that. And
do the same thing on the other side.
And then same to the other side. And then you'll see, once we finish that...
it looks like a Y.
That's right, I was going to say that. It looks like a Y. So this is, I guess, our foundation for our cube, and then we can build it out from there. So now what we're going to do is on this side here...
On this side we're going to put a line all the way up there.
Well, let's put a line down. So we're going to draw a parallel line, so it's going to be in parallel with that, the same length. So...
And do the same thing on... No.
Yeah, so it's going to... Yeah, let's do this. So it'll go, it's the same length, but it'll finish up there, and then we're going to draw these two, connect these two lines here.
And then we do a little triangle on top here.
Yep, well let's do the other side first. So we're going to draw another parallel line here, so the same length as this line in the front. So about there, very good. Yep, and then we're going to join the bottom corners together.
Now that looks like a book.
It kind of, yeah, it does look like a book, yeah. So that's two sides, and now we can finish off the rest. So we're going to finish the top of the Rubik's Cube. So again, we're going to copy this line here, the same length, but it's going to be a parallel line up the top there, just like that.
And do a curve on the top.
Cool. And then just join those two lines up there as well. It makes it easy. You can always rotate your paper. There.
And then we can do the little squares inside.
Yeah, so if you look at the Rubik's Cube, that's what we've drawn now, and it's actually divided up, so each side's got 9 smaller squares in it. So we're going to draw those lines as well. So we'll start on the top. So again, we're going to draw parallel lines inside. So we're going to draw another one about here. So 1, 2 lines that way, and then 2 lines the other way. You can kind of keep the squares the same distance. If your line's a little bit wonky, that is fine. Yeah, or you can do it like that as well. Cool. And then we'll do the same here. We'll draw 2 parallel lines in there.
You're kind of like a tongue twister.
I was tongue twisted there, yeah. No, gosh.
Do the same thing on the other side. I
was thinking too much about drawing and not speaking. There we go. Okay, so we've got 2 sides, and you're well on your way. That's good. And we're going to do the same here. Another 2 parallel lines in the inside, going across, and then 2 going down. All right, so now when we come to color it, you've got a couple of options. You can make each side one color, so you can, make this white or green, or you can make it all mixed up like what we've got here, because we haven't finished it yet. So there we go.
You can make a pattern like a cross in the middle, and then you can put other colors there.
That's right. You can do whatever you like. Alrighty, so let's get drawing. We've done our drawing. Let's get coloring. So we've finished colouring in our Rubik's Cubes. I've done one as unsolved, so all the colours are everywhere, and you've done yours where you've actually finished and solved it, so all the colours are on the right side. And you've drawn 2 extra hands in there, so...
Holding it.
Holding it, yeah, and finishing the puzzle. there we go. Are you happy with your drawing?
Yes.
I think it looks really amazing. I can see you've added lots of highlights in there as well to make it kind of sparkly, so it's really cool. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching. I hope you had an awesome time drawing with us. Well, I think we're going to go back to this puzzle. We're going to try and solve it. So we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
This way? I don't know.